In this tutorial, we're going to talk about choose function in Excel. The first argument in the choose function is index number. Index number defines the position of the value or item that needs to be returned. Then we have next argument value 1, value 2, value 3, and this list goes up to 254. That means you can add up to 254 values in this formula, but here we only have 18, so we'll add them one by one real quick. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Done. If I write index number 5, I'll get the fifth item that is referenced against fifth index number. Same, if I write 17, I'll get the item that is referenced against that particular reference number. What I can do, I can also add a drop down list so that I don't have to manually type these numbers. For that, I'll create a data validation list, and here I'll give its range. Done. Now I'll simply click it and get the item like this and like this. For more tutorials, you can always subscribe my channel. Bye for now.